Hi, my name is Ravi and I'm the Senior Recruitment Manager at Ascenda School of Management. We are a private institute located in one of the best livable cities in the world, known as Vancouver, British Columbia. We are specialized in hospitality management and business administration. We do have several concentrations comes under BBA program. So I got a great news to share with you that we provide very attractive scholarship for international students starting from 10,000 Canadian dollar. As well as we do provide paid and unpaid internship opportunities for international students. And if you need more information, please visit the Next Education and get your application submitted as soon as possible. We have 4 intakes per year: Jan, April, July, and October. And get your application submitted as soon as possible and get the application fee waived off, which is 155 Canadian dollar savior for you. And if you really want to submit the application, please visit the Next Education Consultancy as soon as possible. And they are full aware of the Ascenda product, and they will definitely help you through the admission process as well as the visa process. Thank you.